Okay, so what you're going to do is, I already have it installed. We're going to head over to Downloader. Go to the search bar, press OK, and now you're going to type in the following. Double check your spelling. You got to type it exactly as shown. Then press go. If you did it correctly, the download should start automatically. Okay, once it's finished downloading, you're going to get this page. Just head over to install. Okay, once it's finished installing, I already have it. Go over here, hit delete. Just frees up the space on your Fire Stick. Then delete again. Now we're going to hit the home button on the remote.